What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can clearly see, we are back in Bowling Green, Kentucky, checking out the True Street action getting kicked off right now. This is going to be an extremely hot day. All right, guys, so look, I had to stop by and say what's up to my buddy Ken. What's going on, Ken?
Not much.
Guys, with the advent of Holley coming to the NMRA, they're starting to do the autocross and stuff, and of course, like this thing. I mean, dude, tell me about this thing.
It started off as 86 Fox body. It's got a tube chassis frame. It's got a 5.2 illuminator in it with a little Vortex supercharger.
Holy
It's got
crap!
a cantilever suspension. It's got a nitrous ring to cool the intercooler and radiator down. It's running 315s and 335s.
Jeez.
The engine's actually 18 inches back from factory, so it's.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, man, that's crazy.
I drive from the back seat, literally. If there's a picture of me going down the track, it looks like there's no driver. All you see is my gloves. But the car's balanced 50-50 weight distribution. It's a real neat car. It was originally built for SEMA. John Bigfoot Jr.'s signature there. He drove it for the 50th anniversary of Ford, and then Arnelli Jones drove it in a race or two, and then I had it, and I've been trying to wear it out. I go everywhere I could take it. Spend the Texas Mile, several Optima events. We ran 218 on the back straight of Daytona.
Wow! And of course, all the the celebrity to the tribute to veterans as well. I mean,
military tribute. I'm an old Marine, and
thank you for your service.
I thought it'd be a good thing to do with it.
Oh, it is.
I like the OD green, and it's a little different. I want to do something different. There's too many Fox bodies out there that are playing.
Right.
I want to make a little different.
See, making America fast again, boys. Absolutely love it. Ken, it was a pleasure to meet you. Car is badass. Honored to see it. All right, guys, so I don't care how old or how cool you think you are now that you're grown up, you still remember Bigfoot from when you were a kid. I gotta say, this is pretty freaking cool seeing this truck. This is the original Bob Chandler big supercharged 460. Yeah. Haven't seen this thing in years. I'm pretty sure the last time I saw this truck I was a kid. Oh, excuse me, that's a 640. Way too freaking cool. Never outgrow your childhood toys, that's for sure. Alright guys, so down here on the starting line, and we're about to see Michael Washington. Michael Washington is right over there, and probably the world's fastest all-motor Coyote. Thing's a beast. Can't wait to see this thing run. All-motor Coyote. So what does it take, dude?
It's unbelievable how stock it is.
Sure. Okay.
It's a stock block.
Okay.
2011 Coyote block, stock GT350 heads, stock valve train, rollers,
sure,
all the lifters. It's a stock Cobra Jet intake, off of the Cobra Jet, obviously.
Okay.
The cams are aftermarket from Comp. It's got a set of aftermarket pistons. It's got a stock crank in it.
Wow.
And a set of aftermarket rods. They're Oliver billet rods, Diamond custom pistons, and Pro Racing, he built the engine. Okay. 340 inches.
That's amazing. So it's a 340 cubic inch Coyote.
Yep.
And so far you've gone a 77. A 77
at 153.93.
Yeah, guys, all motor. There's no turbo behind there. Just in case you want to know, all freaking motor. So I'm gonna send you my car with a Gen 1 truck motor in it. But yeah, that is as yeah, okay. What transmission's in it?
G-Force G101A 4-speed transmission.
G-Force 101A. Absolutely badass, dude. You're my hero. I'm trying to go fast too with the Coyotes. I appreciate it.
Just trying to push the limits for all the NA guys out there.
That's right. That's right.
Can do it.
So I can pick your brain, right?
Bring it. I don't know how much information I'm going to give you. There's so much stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Ford did us proud with these things.
It's attention to detail. That's 100% of what it is, and trial and error. This is our second generation motor. Last year we had Pure Evil 1. This is PE2, Pure Evil 2.
Good deal.
Pure Evil 1 you might see coming out soon somewhere.
Okay.
I'll give you a little hint about that.
Yeah, we won't give away the secrets, but
guy's got a lot to say about 2011 body style. So
okay.
People wrong.
Michael Washington, boys. We got Coyote Stock coming up, my favorite class of all time. All the homies ready to watch some Coyote Stock. And if you look right over there, that's Ed Curtis. Ed Curtis, he's in hiding. That's Ed. There's Gary Windsor. Shout out to JPC. so that is going to be a wrap from NMRA World Finals Holley Intergalactic World Festival thing. Yeah, long hot day, and be back out here tomorrow. Be a good time.